Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Now, calculation of intracellular fluid. Okay, calculation of intracellular fluid. Intracellular fluid is also an indirect measure. It is an indirect measurement. It is actually calculated by the formula total body water minus extracellular fluid volume. So, if you subtract the total cellular volume, if you subtract the extracellular fluid volume, uh, from the total body water, if you calculate subtract extracellular fluid volume from total body water, then we have intracellular fluid volume.
thank you and thank you for watching.